Here we are in 2026, and artificial intelligence isn't emerging anymore. It's running the backbone of our economy. And you've probably seen the scary headlines about job losses, but they're missing the bigger picture. According to the World Economic Forum, while many jobs are changing, this shift is creating a wave of brand new, high-paying careers that most people don't even know exist yet. The real story isn't about being replaced by robots. It's about the incredible opportunity for those who are paying attention. While some worry about becoming obsolete, a handful of people are gearing up for roles that blend technology with uniquely human skills, like creativity, strategy, and critical thinking. In this video, I'm going to break down 7 of these new AI jobs set to explode by 2026 and show you how you can get in on the action, even if you can't write a single line of code. Section 1. AI Prompt Engineer. First up is the job that has absolutely blown up over the last couple of years. The AI Prompt Engineer. A little while ago, this job didn't exist. Now, companies are throwing huge salaries at people who can master it. While specific numbers vary, market reports show the demand for prompt engineering is growing at a staggering rate, with some analysts projecting a compound annual growth rate of over 32% between 2024 and 2030. So what do these people actually do? A prompt engineer is basically a master communicator for AI. Think of them as part psychologist, part translator, teaching a super intelligent machine how to understand what we humans really want. They don't just ask a question. They design entire conversations. They fine-tune AI models to match a company's voice, strip out biases, and run tests to see which instructions get the best results. Some people claim this is just a temporary gig, but the skill of communicating effectively with AI is becoming fundamental. You don't need a PhD in machine learning to get started. You need a deep curiosity for how these models think, sharp communication skills, and a healthy mix of logic and creativity. It's all about understanding the nuances of language to get the AI to do its best work, a skill that's becoming priceless across every industry. Section 2. AI-assisted healthcare technician. Next is a role that's set to transform one of our most important sectors, the AI-assisted healthcare technician. AI isn't replacing doctors and nurses. It's giving them superpowers. And that requires a new kind of specialist who can work hand in hand with these advanced systems. You might see this job listed as an AI clinical support specialist, or see the skills integrated into existing roles like radiologic technologists. These are the hands-on pros who operate and manage AI tools in clinics and hospitals. Imagine a technician using an AI to analyze an MRI. The system can flag subtle patterns the human eye might miss, pointing a radiologist toward a potential issue for an earlier, more accurate diagnosis. But their job goes way beyond that. They help surgeons practice on AI-generated 3D models of a patient's body before an operation. They oversee virtual assistants that handle routine patient questions, freeing up doctors for more critical cases. And crucially, they ensure these AI tools are used ethically and that all patient data is kept secure. As healthcare's digital shift accelerates, this role is becoming absolutely vital. Section 3. AI ethicist and auditor. With great power comes great responsibility. And that's exactly where our third job comes in, the AI ethicist, or AI auditor. As AI makes more and more critical decisions in our lives, from who gets hired to how police resources are deployed, the need for a moral compass is exploding. An AI ethicist is the conscience of the tech world. Their job is to make sure AI is built and used responsibly, fairly, and transparently. They ask the tough questions. Is this algorithm biased? Is this system explainable? Are we protecting user privacy? They conduct regular audits on AI systems to find and fix hidden biases, much like a financial auditor checks a company's books. And make no mistake, this isn't some philosophical debate club. Getting this wrong can lead to devastating lawsuits, public relations nightmares, and a complete loss of trust. This role is for the critical thinkers out there who want to make sure technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Section 4. AI Implementation Specialist. It doesn't matter how brilliant an AI model is if it's just sitting on a server collecting digital dust. Someone has to actually put it to work. That's the job of the AI Implementation Specialist. These are the indispensable people who bridge the gap between the data scientists building the AI and the business leaders who need to use it. An AI implementation specialist figures out where a company can use AI and then manages the entire process of integrating it into how the company actually works. Think of them as a project manager, a business consultant, and a tech translator all rolled into one. One day, they might help a factory roll out an AI system for quality control. The next, they're helping a marketing team adopt generative AI to scale their content. They work across departments to make sure the AI is working, troubleshoot problems, and train employees on the new tools. As every company, these are the people making sure the train doesn't go off the rails. Section 5. Human AI Interaction Designer. For years, we've had UX designers focused on making websites and apps easy to use. Now we're seeing their next evolution, the Human AI Interaction Designer. This job is about so much more than where to put a button. It's about designing the entire relationship between a person and an intelligent system. A traditional designer creates a static path, but an AI interaction designer designs a dynamic conversation. They're the ones who decide if a chatbot should be witty or formal, when a voice assistant should apologize, or how an AI explains its reasoning without making your head spin. Their mission is to make interacting with AI feel natural, intuitive, and genuinely helpful. This takes a special mix of empathy, creativity, and a solid grasp of what AI can and can't do. You need to be a great writer, a sharp problem solver, and a true advocate for the user. As AI becomes the invisible engine behind more of our daily products, the designers who can make those interactions feel less robotic and more human are going to be in very high demand. Section 6. AI Trainer and Learning Specialist. Remember how we talked about core job skills changing? That creates a massive upskilling challenge for companies, and it's opened the door for our 6th job, the AI Trainer and Learning Specialist. These pros work inside companies to get the entire workforce ready for the age of AI. Their job is twofold. First, they analyze the organization to figure out where the AI-related skill gaps are. Second, they design and deliver the training programs to fill those gaps. This could mean creating an AI 101 course for everyone, running a specialized prompt engineering workshop for the sales team, or curating learning paths for leaders to help them think strategically about AI. They are the architects of a company's internal education, ensuring the workforce can adapt and thrive alongside new tech. In an economy where learning is the new currency, these specialists are becoming essential for any company that wants to stay relevant. Section 7. AI Business Development Manager. Finally, here's a role that proves you don't need a technical background to build a massive career in AI. The AI Business Development Manager. This is a strategic sales and partnership role for people who can translate complex AI features into real business value. These are the deal makers and relationship builders on the front lines. They need to understand the tech well enough to explain its benefits, but their real magic is in communication, negotiation, and strategy. An AI Biz Dev Manager might work for a startup and be tasked with landing their first 50 enterprise clients. Or they could be at a huge tech company, building an ecosystem of partners who create new solutions on their AI platform. They spot market opportunities, build connections, and structure deals that drive growth. Because even the most amazing technology is worthless if nobody buys it. For anyone with a background in sales or business, layering on a solid understanding of AI could unlock this incredibly lucrative career path. In conclusion, so there you have it. 7 new or completely transformed jobs that are set to define the professional world of 2026. We covered the AI prompt engineer, AI-assisted healthcare technician, AI ethicist, AI implementation specialist, human AI interaction designer, AI trainer, and the AI business development manager. The main takeaway is this. The future of work isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines. The biggest opportunities are going to people who can bridge that gap between technology's power and our human needs. You don't have to become a coder, but you do have to become AI literate. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 jobs sounds the most exciting? And what's one small step you can take this week to move in that direction? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you're wondering where to even start, I've got you covered. I've linked a video right here on the top 5 AI skills you can learn for free. It's the perfect next step. Click it and start building your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.